Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out the 2020 N-Case regular treasure hunt. So let's get straight into it. Now, as you can see, the treasure hunt for the 2020 N-Case is the Beetles Yellow Submarine. So smash a big thumbs up for this casting. Make sure you are a subscriber if you like to see all the treasure hunts in the Hot Wheels cases. Now let's take a look at this guy. Got the yellow die-cast base there, got a plastic top. Where's the treasure hunt symbol? There it is, very small on the back there, only on one side, and it's on the side facing away from the out of the card. So if you don't realize this is a treasure hunt, which it also has on the back of the card, you would walk right past this one because it's a fantasy casting that not many people are going to pick up, but it is the regular treasure hunt. So if you see one on the pegs, make sure you grab it. Now it's pretty much basically the same as all other releases of this type of car. We're not seeing much color variation because, well, you know, it's iconic. It's the Beetles Yellow Submarine. You can't change it up too much. Couldn't really be any other color. Let me know what you think of this guy being the regular treasure hunt in the Hot Wheels 2020 N-Case. Let's check out the detailed views.